This video, we are going to look at how to solve simultaneous equations using matrix method. So they are telling us here that solve the simultaneous equation below using matrix method. 2x plus y minus 10 equals to 0. 4x minus 2y plus 12 equals to 0. Now, if you see this equation and compare with the matrix method of solving it, the constants must be kept at one side of the equal sign, then the coefficients and their variables must also be kept on one side. So using the matrix method, we shall have to group this in matrix form. The coefficient of the unknowns will take part in the matrix bracket. So we shall have to open a matrix bracket. Then we have 2 and y, but y has a coefficient of 1. So 2 and y, 2 and 1 as the first column, first row. Then the second row we have 4 and negative 2. 4, negative 2, followed by their unknowns equals to the constants will have to be taken to the other side. Negative 10 will become positive 10. Positive 12 will become negative 12. So equals to positive 10, negative 12. So if you have equation like this, when you are using matrix method, then you must introduce and multiply both sides by the adjoint of the matrix. So we shall have 2, 1, 4, negative 2 multiplied by its adjoint. You in the major diagonal, you interchange them. Negative 2 comes here, positive 2. Then minor diagonal, you change their signs. Just times x and y equals to, introduce the adjoint on this side also, negative 4, and then positive 2 multiplied by the constant, which is 10, negative 12. So when multiplying, you multiply row by column. 2 times negative 2, you get negative 4 plus 1 times negative 4, you get negative 4. 2 times negative 1, you get negative 2 plus 1 times positive 2, you get positive 2. 4 times negative 2, you get negative 8 plus negative 2 times negative 4, you get positive 8. 4 times negative 1, you get negative 4 plus 2 times positive 2. Negative 2 times positive 2, you get negative 4. Times yx equals to 2 negative times 10, you get negative 20 plus negative 1 times negative 12, you get positive 12. Negative 4 times 10, you get negative 40 plus 2 times negative 12, you get negative 24. When we simplify this, we shall have negative 4 plus 4 shall negative 4 plus negative 4 shall get negative 8. Negative 2 plus 2 shall get 0. Negative 8 plus 8, we shall get 0. Then negative 4 plus negative 4 shall get negative 8 times y and x equals to negative 20 plus 12, we shall have negative 8. Negative 8. Then negative 40 plus negative 24 shall get negative 64. So if we multiply these two matrices again, you will find that we shall have negative 8x, and then negative 8y on that side, left hand side, equals to right hand side, we shall have negative 8, negative 64. Now reaching this step, we compare the corresponding values. The first row equals to the first row on the right hand side, second row on the left hand side equals to second row on the right hand side. So we shall have negative 8x equals to negative 8. When we divide both sides by negative 8, find that our x is 1. Because this one will cancel all. Then when we compare the second row, negative 8y equals to negative 64. Both sides by negative 8, negative 8. Our y will be equal to positive 8. So this by 1, this is by 1, by 8. So these are the values of x and y. So we can conclude and say, therefore, x equals to 1, y equals to 8. Thank you so much for watching.